Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosx dx. This one we have u. This one we change du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of u du. We have a to the power of u over ln a, and I will put about c. Now we have the formula in here. About u, that is about sin x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.